Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Kismile. We'll explore their features, production capabilities, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy refreshing drinks at home, we've got you covered. The EUHOMY ice maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is great for chilling drinks quickly. In contrast, the Kismile specializes in Nugget ice, known for its chewable texture, making it a favorite for cocktails and soft drinks. If you prefer a specific type of ice, this could be a deciding factor. When it comes to daily production, the EUHOMY can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is suitable for small gatherings. On the other hand, the Kismile can churn out 35 pounds daily, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. Consider how much ice you typically need when making your choice. The EUHOMY ice maker is designed for portability, weighing only 13.9 pounds and featuring a carry handle, making it easy to transport for camping or RV trips. The Kismile, while still portable, is heavier at 22.5 pounds, which may limit its mobility. If you plan to move your ice maker frequently, the EUHOMY might be the better option. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Kismile ice makers have their unique strengths. The EUHOMY is perfect for those seeking a budget-friendly, portable option with quick ice production, while the Kismile is ideal for those who want higher capacity and chewable nugget ice. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle and ice needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.